Lose weight. How to stay on your diet over the holidays. Every Weight Watcher knows that it is tougher to stay on diet over the holidays. Your family is celebrating and enjoying a variety of foods. It is very tempting to break your regimen and join them. It takes a lot of willpower not to jump in and devour all those delicious foods sitting on the table in front of you. If you are a serious Weight Watcher, you can still enjoy your holidays without going off your diet. All it takes is a little planning, and you will be able to enjoy being with friends and family without feeling miserable. There are several ways that you can follow your diet and remain in good shape over the holidays. One. Promise yourself that you will stay on your diet program over the holidays. Most people make excuses to go off their diet and skip workouts over the holidays. Christmas only comes once a year. Why should I not eat more and exercise less? Though the reason to blow their diet sounds reasonable, you should never attempt to use the same excuse to blow yours. It takes a lot of determination to be one among the few who can remain on diet, but it can be done. Keep your standards up and don't settle for less. 2. Plan your workouts in advance. We all can expect a hectic schedule over the holidays. However, if you plan ahead, you can still manage to allocate the time for your regular workout. Anticipate what is going to happen over the holidays and write it down. How much time will you spend shopping, cooking, visiting friends or wrapping gifts? If you break down your schedule into minute details, you will always find a time slot for your workout. It may take some time management skills, but time management is not rocket science. This skill can be mastered by anybody. 3. A couple of free meals a week have little effect on your diet plans. You can indulge in a couple of free meals during the holidays, but no more. After you reach the limit, you must get back to your plan and never deviate from it again. It takes some determination, but success in any field always demands determination and dedication in one form or another. There is no exception here. As you can see, if you plan ahead and stick to your plan, you can still enjoy the holidays with friends and family and stick your diet and workout plans too.